My neck hurts with all this whipsawing. This is Dez. Carl, one of our users, said his neck hurts because of all the whipsawing taking place. And mine does too. My name's Dez here at Grok. Trade is Thursday, October 9th, 2014. And the markets take a nose dive after yesterday's big 274 point rally. Today the Dow drops 335 points. The S&P down 2%. Same for the Dow. Nasdaq down the same. Russell small caps down 2.7%. Ouch! That is a massive hit. Banks off more than 2%. VIX a staggering 24% spike higher. That's huge. Just anytime you have a full 0.25% rise in fear in a single day, that is significant. Gold up, silver down, crude oil up by 2.7%, a huge hit in crude oil. US dollar up 0.3%. Transportation takes it on the chin, down 2.4%. Utilities, that's even a defensive sector, off by 1.6%. Now, let's talk about a few things. Major warning here, gang. Yesterday on the S&P 500, big rally. This rally took back all the losses from the day prior, making a new high. When that happened, there was a decent chance of follow through. I bought a lot of longs here, and today I sat through them. So set through some drawdown here. I will definitely load up short with a hedge, unload longs if I get followed through to the downside. Now, here's a warning, and I've said this in the past, back here in some of these other videos. The time you need to start worrying about the markets having a significant crash is not when you have a 50 point down day or 100 point down day. We're talking 200, 300 point down days, even 400 point down days. Today we have a 335 point down day. So look at that as thunder in the distance. Anytime you get this, it shows a toppy market. Now you have this barber pole. You know, you get this red, white, red, kind of a railroad track type formation. It wouldn't surprise me to get another white one tomorrow. So that's why I did not add a hedge today. I'm waiting for a bounce, another white one just like this to start. We'll see if that happens. If not, if it starts to drop, I need to be reactionary to this market. Gang, this is damaging. Big drop, a lot of problems in the markets. As far as the Dow is concerned, it closed below a major trend line. Ouch, that is problematic. Huge breakdown there. Nasdaq, big drop, has big support coming up though. Russell's, it's just bleeding out. I had this symmetrical triangle, as you can see here, big bleeding out here. It's just a mess. Now quickly I want to go to the weekly charts. The weekly charts, if you look at this trend line, support, we broke support. Now the week's not over with yet, of course. I can see it rallying back, getting above that trend line right here. It's very important to see that. I think tomorrow's going to be a bullish day. But man, we are on, if it's bullish, it's just going to dodge the bullet because everything is telling me it should be bearish. As far as the Nasdaq is concerned, we're right at a major trend line, big time trend line here. I can see it going a little bullish, getting back above it. If you look here at the Dow is down below the trend line. Every time we get down below the trend line, it rallies back. Gets down below the trend line, it rallies back. This one went down below the trend line last week, rallied back. Here we're down below it. I could see it rallying back. Tomorrow I could see a bullish day, but it has to happen. If not, the markets are toast. toast. I mean, you're going to see a significant move to the downside. If you look here at the S&P weekly chart, we have this shadow line. We come here, last time we hit the shadow line, we bounced. We're right below it. It needs to bounce. It needs to go higher. It'd be interesting to see what happens. So get the very best of technical analysis right here. I told you what I'm doing. If the markets on the daily chart in the S&P needs to rally back higher. It needs to do that to close out the week higher, to hopefully get a rally to get back up to this upper line. A lot of upside potential, but we're broke down below it. Man, that is so problematic. Anyway, however, if we start to dive on volume, I am definitely unloading longs. I am picking up some shorts. It could be a big, sizable drop, even with all these support lines. It could be nasty. There you go. Share this video with your friends. There's a lot of people out there that want to know what's going on. Big news with these big moves out there in the markets. So help them become more educated. Take care.